husband Basaraj, my kids Dishani and Demant. Actually, we got married in 2003, but with many issues like it has come up with many things and all, like I was studying, those all were happened. Then I didn't got conceived, so I came over here in the year 2008. I came here for the treatment, and next I had undergone many treatments like IVF, first I had undergone IUI, and that didn't work because I was conceiving, and miscarriages was happening every time. And then Dr. Bhavani suggested me to go for IVF. So I had undergone IVF for 3 times actually. Egg pickup only 3 times I had undergone. First time I got conceived and miscarriages happened, and second time same thing happened, and last time I tried with the same IVF, and then I got conceived, but same thing happened, like miscarriage with the ectopic pregnancy. That time I lost all my hopes, everything, and then I took a break for a few months or year. Then I came back with the hope. The new option has come up with the surrogacy treatment, so I thought of that and I came for the surrogacy, and I had undergone with the surrogacy treatment. By that, actually, she's the one who is born with the surrogacy. When she was the person who is carrying this baby, she was around 5th month pregnancy by the time I got conceived with that baby. These both kids are 3 months difference. She born in June and he was born in October. In the hospital, everyone was shocked. This can be happen. Sunita ma'am was shocked. I came for the scanning report of this baby scanning. I had come over that surrogate mother. That time I felt something is missing in my body, and something I'm feeling change. I said, and she had checked with the scanning and all. By the time they found that I had got conceived. What I want to tell is when you have hope on doctors and hope on God, hope on ourselves, we can have our life with the beautiful kids. That's not a big thing. We should have confidence in ourselves, and doctors and the whole team, we have to have confidence. That's what I can say. Thank you so much. I can never forget these moments. Even today I feel those days I can feel, and I can remember, and I can recall the things and the place and whatever happened. Thank you so much for the Millennium Hospital who have helped me, and all the staffs were very helping and very caring, especially Dr. Sunita and Dr. Bhavani ma'am who has taken care of me like anything. How they treat us, they will not be treating us. They will think of we are like their family members. Like that they will look at us, and they will see. Today also they were very happy by seeing us. What else to say? I don't know. Many things to share, but this much I can brief, I think. Thank you so much.
Yeah, actually we came to earlier it was Kamini Rao Hospital. We have gone through so many IUIs, and later on we decided IVF also. Even she was not, miscarriages have happened many times. Later on we final hopes, and we plan to go for surrogacy. In the surrogacy also couple of, I think one or second time. I think third time it was happened. Second or third. Second time it was happened. First time it was actually not happened actually. Then we got hopes. Okay, this is actually something like a miracle. It's given, God given, and all the support. Yeah, we actually gone through surrogate mother. We got second surrogacy, and second time I came. Baby girl In the same time also, it's actually my wife also conceived in I think a couple of months later. Uh, I think without any treatment, it was like unexpected. Now we have, I think, both the kids, one boy and baby girl baby, both we have. They are very happy. And so doctors also given some very supportive and cooperation, and they treated us good way. I think so hopes is the one way to give you some help, and I think it will somewhere one point of time you enjoy it, whatever you've gone through, all the, I think those things we can forget by the last giving any good happiness last month. I think. Thanks for it. I think we are good and we are enjoying now. Thank you.
One more thing, what I want to tell you is like we should have hopes on the treatment and the medical science, what is coming up with. And one more thing is like surrogacy and IVF treatment, it's not the bad thing. It's very good for the people who are in mental status or any problem, like mentally or physically, if you are not fit for that. That is the best way, what I feel is, because I had undergone that IVF, I had undergone, but in that time I was like thinking of what will happen, is it going to positive way or not, like those things I was thinking, but it will definitely work, and there is nothing harm in that. We will be having joy in our life, happiness we will get, little bit struggle we have to take, but that's not a big thing. And surrogacy and surrogate mothers, they are all doing well, and nothing wrong in that. Nobody will be knowing that, but our happiness will be there with us. We should try these kind of things if it is not possible with the natural process. Then only we can have our life happily, we can live. Like it's not like that it's not happening, it's not true, and it's not good, something wrong, this blah blah blah, nothing like that. See, my kids both are looking like me and my husband. That's the only thing I can say, like it's best method, we can go for it. Thank you so much.